I will show you how to extract audio from any video using the VLC Media Player. Go to Google and search for VLC Media Player Download. Click on the first search result. You will be taken to the download page. VLC is a free software with no ads or paid subscriptions. Download the appropriate installer depending on your operating system. In my case, I downloaded the Mac version. Once you finish the installation, open the VLC Media Player. Go to the top left side under the File tab and look for Convert/Stream. Click on it and a menu will pop up. Now go ahead and upload the video you want to extract audio from. Then, under Choose Profile, you want to select the option Audio MP3. After that, choose the destination folder you want the file to be saved at. Once that is done, you click on Save as File and wait for the VLC player to convert it. Upon completion, go to your folder to find that audio file. That's it.